Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be teaching you equation of straight line. This equation of straight line is a part of coordinate geometry, and I have already discussed what is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of geometry by means of algebra. So when we talk about equation of a straight line, the standard equation of straight line is given by the formula ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equation of straight line, because a straight line is a part of geometry, and this given equation is from algebra. So study of geometry with the help of algebra is coordinate geometry. You have some important terms and important formula from this exercise. The first one is called angle of inclination. Angle of inclination. The angle formed by the line on the positive of x-axis and measured in anti-clockwise direction is called angle of inclination, and it is represented by theta. So you have Cartesian system, origin x, x dash, y, y dash. Suppose you have a line which is intersecting x-axis. The line and the x-axis forms an angle. It forms an angle here. And this angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. The angle formed out here is known as angle of inclination, and it is denoted by symbol theta. Second one is slope of the line. If theta is the angle of inclination, then slope or gradient of the line is given by the formula m equal to tan theta. M stands for slope or gradient. Theta is angle of inclination. With the help of this mathematical formula, we can calculate the slope or gradient of line. By what angle the line is tilted towards x-axis. So please do remember this first formula to calculate the slope or gradient of a line. Third one is equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis. X dash, y dash, origin. Suppose you have a line which is parallel to y-axis. Equation of this line is given by the formula x equal to e, because e is the distance between y-axis and the line, means it is value of abscissa, the positive value of abscissa, which is taken as a. So equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis is given by the formula x equal to a. Second one, equation of a line parallel to x-axis. X, origin, x dash, y dash. Consider a line which is parallel to x-axis. The distance between x-axis and the line is given by or represented by the value b. So equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y equal to b, because value of b is y out here. positive, it can be positive, it can be negative. So this is the third formula. Now you need to remember the formulae. The first one is called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Let M be the slope of the line and C is y-intercept. C is y-intercept means that suppose you have Cartesian system, origin x, x dash, y, y dash, line is passing. You have slope given out here and this is y-intercept. The line is cutting y-axis at a point and you have the coordinate here x comma y. The equation of this line which has y-intercept and slope is given by the formula y equals to mx plus c. M stands for slope, m equal to slope, and I have given you the formula to calculate slope. Slope can be calculated by the formula m equals to tan theta. And this C stands for y-intercept. Y-intercept. Y-axis will be intersecting the line. Y-intercept. First general formula to calculate the equation of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Second formula, which is important, it is called 1 point slope form. 1 point slope form. And in order to calculate equation of straight line when 1 point and slope are given, 1 point will be given as x1, y1 and slope is given by m. Therefore, equation y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. And this is very, very important formula to calculate equation of straight line because 1 point and slope will be known and you can get the equation using this. Formula number 3. It is called 2-point form. 2-point form means that you'll be given 2 points. 1 point is taken as x1, y1. Second point is taken as x2, y2. The line is passing through these 2 points. And we can calculate equation of straight line using the first part. When we have 2-point form, first one we calculate slope. y2 minus y1 divides by x2 minus x1. After finding the slope, we can calculate equation y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. This is formula number 3. First one is standard equation of straight line y equals to mx plus c. Second one is 1 point form, 1 point slope form where 1 point x1, y1 and slope will be given. We can get the equation 2-point form. You'll be given with 2 points, so we can use slope calculation first, then we use equation. If you do separately, it'll be easier, or you could do directly. You have a formula, but I'm not writing that formula. Next one, number 4, is called intercept form. Number 4, intercept form. Intercept form means that the line will be intersecting both x and y axis. This is x-intercept, y-intercept, you'll be asked to calculate the equation of the line. So whenever we have intercepts given, we can use the formula x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the formula to calculate equation of straight line when we have intercept form. So please do remember there are five important formulae. The first one is to calculate slope, m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. Second one is called intercept form. Slope intercept form, y equals to mx plus c. Third one is 1 point form. 1 point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. Number 4 is 2 point form. 2 points will be given. First calculation will be for slope, y2 minus y1 divides by x2 minus x1, and second one will be equation, y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So these are 5 formulae. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. These are 5 formulae you'll be needing to solve the sums from equation of straight line, and it's not difficult. You just need to remember this. You can easily calculate. And one more important term to remember. If the line is intersected by x-axis, coordinate of intercept is x comma 0. This is x-axis intercept. Similarly, if it is y-axis intercept, then it will be 0 comma y. That is y-intercept. If you remember these two conditions, 90% of the sums you will be using this formula. Y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So these are important terms you need to remember. I'll show you the application of each formula from the exercise, and it's not difficult. So please do watch it. The exercise 12.1. In first one, question says that find slope whose inclination means angle. Theta is given, which is equal to 60 degrees. Suppose book has 45, 30 and solving with 60. The inclination of line is 60 degree. You have to find the slope. So we use the formula m equals to tan theta. M equal to tan theta is 60 degree. And with the help of trigonometry, you can write the value. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. This is the slope of the line. Similarly, you can do 45 and 30. Question number 2 says that find inclination of line whose gradient is given. Suppose gradient is 1. And I told you gradient means it is the slope of the line. So m is equal to 1. We know the gradient. We have to find inclination. M is equal to tan theta. Write on the formula. Substitute 1 equal to tan theta. Which trigonometrical tan has value of 1? It is tan 45 degree. You cannot cancel tan from either side. Therefore, 45 degree is equal to theta. Angle of inclination or inclination is 45 degree. Similarly, you can do question number 2 and 3. You don't have to do question number 3 and 4 because it says parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. I have given you the formula, you just substitute. If the line is parallel to y-axis, x equal to a. If it is parallel to x-axis, y is equal to b. Use this value, substitute, you'll get the answer. Now look at this question number 6. It is an important one. Question number 6. Question says that find the line, equation of line whose slope is 3, y-intercept is minus 5. And you have an equation, you have a formula to calculate equation of straight line with slope and y-intercept. Slope is represented by n3, y-intercept is represented by c minus 5. Equation y is equals to mx plus c. Write on the formula. Substitute the value of slope and y-intercept. Y equals to 3 multiplies x plus minus 5. Y equals to 3x minus 5. You can leave it like this. This is also standard equation of straight line, or you can simplify it. Y minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Take on the left hand side, or you could do it like this. You could do like this. Take y on the right hand side. 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. All three are acceptable. So you have a formula by which we can calculate equation of straight line with slope and y-intercept. Look at this question number 6, part 4. Find the equation of a straight line whose inclination means theta is given 30 degree. Y-intercept is 2. You cannot calculate equation of straight line using inclination. None of the formula have inclination. Inclination is given in the question to calculate slope. So m equals to tan theta. M equals to tan 30. Use trigonometry. Tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3. You know the slope, you know y-intercept equation. Y is equals to mx plus c. Y equals to 1 divided by root 3x plus y-intercept is 2. Leave it like this. You don't have to simplify this. Standard equation of straight line is known. So you could try question number 6. There are around 4 sums. Try to do all the sums. It's easier. Now number 7. To calculate slope and y-intercept when equation is given. Find the slope and y-intercept of the following: 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Standard equation of straight line. You need to simplify it. Simplify this given equation so that it comes to the standard form y equals to mx plus c. So what happens? You need to make y the subject of formula. So you write 2y equal to, take x on the right hand side, minus 3x. Then you take constant term plus 6. Y is equal to minus 3x divides by 2 plus 6 divides by 2. With the value of 2 you divide both separately. Now compare it. Write the standard equation at the side and compare it. M equal to slope is n and you have x, you have to ignore. Whatever numbers you have, you write it as slope 3 by 2. Y-intercept c, the last constant value is y-intercept. So with the help of this given equation, we can simplify and calculate slope and y-intercept. If you are given with fractions, simplify the fractions so that you get the standard equation. Something like this. X divides by 3 plus y divides by 2 is equal to 5. Find the slope and y-intercept of the given equation. You cannot directly solve it because it has to be in the standard form. Bring it to the standard form. Take LCM 6, you get 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Cross multiply. 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. Make y the subject of formula now. 3y is equal to, take x first, minus 2x plus 30. Y is equal to minus 2x divides by 3 plus 30 divides by 3. Standard form at the side. Compare it. M is equal to minus 2 by 3. Y-intercept, you can cancel this 10. So these are simple application of slope, inclination and the standard equation of straight line y equals to mx plus c. If I continue, the video will be quite lengthy, so we will conclude here. Other sums I'll be doing in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Stay safe.